For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, bongani bobomnisi bafethu, ngicela subscribe ku Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, FNB Stadium. I've got two fans, one from me, Orlando Pirates, and also one from me, Kaizer Chiefs. A lot of things were happening namhlanje eRichards Bay. Uzasicelela ukhosi ukuthi kwenzeke into eRichards Bay. Sawuthetha naye later on, but bangiqale ngomuntu owine igame namhlanje. Phakaniya kunjani?
Siyaphila unjani bhuti?
No, kaphile kubonisa umdlalo namhlanje.
Umdlalo ubumhle kakhulu wena Shane. iPirates ize in plan for iSundowns. And iplan yabo ibasebenzele. iSundowns was expecting ukuthi kuzoqala uMabasa. And then they were surprised nguNansi nguMakgopa. Nomfukeng, and then the back line ka Rivero, he changed it. He played with I think 5 defenders. Lomfana Mbogazi, a 19-year-old from KZN, he played his best game today.
He was man of the match.
Yes, he closed to Ribeiro. Ribeiro was nowhere to be found, especially in the first half where he's mostly deadly. He managed to close him down. That's why he won the man of the match. I could see 2 goals from Umfukeng, but I think Mbogazi, he won the man of the match, although Urele scored the goals. But and Nonanse, Umakaula and Umbata, they played their role, especially Umakaula, Umaketlin. He play every now and then. He was there. First man on the block, to break down. He was first. Uwini Bola. Umbata wakwazi umsiza, and then that's how they overcome Sundowns. We are Sundowns is still gonna win the pole position with Abo Jaden Adams and Abo Nancy Nabo Tebuko Mkwena. They're gonna control the midfield, but the Pirates use it to play quite a space behind their left back. Mutiba was playing too far. Side, and then who was clever? Unanse Umakgopa, he just pulled wide. Tatala position. Every time a tatala position, Urele is ready. And sometimes he initiate on Urele. Kumla any goal, I call on Urele, or tatala polo player wide. And then he ran to the box. Umakgopa, he played well today.
Baba nikiwe namhlanje. Loo nto bizawuthetha ukuthi yonke into i-over noba unenkani kangakanani, but since niwinile usayijula italo usathi it's all over nge-league.
League yona seyiwinile. All we can do is to give them a guard of honor. I don't see Pirates in a mistake ezininzi. You remember we lost against the Imarumo Gallants after we played well quick games previously against the big teams. So I know the smaller teams, that's where Pirates is going to lose the league, against the smaller teams. They can beat Chiefs, they will beat Chiefs. Mara, they're going to lose. Imarumo Gallants, Magesi, whatever. That's where they're going to lose it. The gap is just too wide now. If they could have done this Loftus on that first leg, it would have been still wide open today. Kuleti manje, I think what they can do, let's try to defend the Nedbank Cup. Let's try to reach the final of Champions League. If luck is on our side, we can spring a surprise and win the Champions League and win the second star. Quarter 4, league. I think the league is gone. If we fair, if we are was uber realistic in the goals, the league is gone.
Thank you so much. Kosi, ubona phe FNB Stadium namhlanje. Before ndokubuza ngala kuqela, ubone njani umdlalo wanamhlanje between the Pirates and Sundowns?
Umdlalo ngibone bomuhle kakhulu, especially iPirates. If you can check coach we Pirates beka defender nga 5 defenders. So they were making sure that maba defender bonke bohoto, but maba attacker. If you can check find Ryan and Hoto, they were going forward. They helped Pirate with ikonu kudlala itholela amagoli. But coming back to umfana man of the match, Mbogazi, I think ube a man of the match because ukonu ukumaka uRibeiro. But if you can check Umakgopa, uye oproduce wonke lamagoli. Ukorile, ucheck uMakhawulo la siswini. He make sure to protect the defensive. So bangaba bamnikile man of the match because Rivero was nowhere to be found namhlanje. But I will go with man of the match Umakgopa or Makhawulo.
Now masiza kuqala lakho. Benidlala eRichards Bay namhlanje. I'm not sure to ubone lumdlalo anokubuza ngawo because ubula fe FNB Stadium, but i-result yanamhlanje losing 2-0 against Richards Bay ikuphatha kanjani?
Yo, it's disappointing because we are still struggling with this total 30 point. But as a big team like Kaizer Chiefs, this is a big brand. At least we should not fight for top 8 every season. So at least we should be number 3, number 4. So, but it's disappointing. I don't know what's going to happen if they keep playing like this. Are we really want to compete in this Premier League or what? So I think the guys, it's up to them. What they must decide what they want to do, because now, hey, they're really disappointing us.
Thank you so much, Kosi. But namhlanje besila Ubobo wants us to ask Kosi about the topic. Come here, Bobo. Come here. I mean, this is your platform also. Come here. Iko any question and bona ngathi ufuna uyibuza Kosi. Uthini umbuzo wakho Kosi?
No, Shane bengifuna ukumbuza because ngiyambona uzile azo supporter iOrlando Pirates mayidlala neSundowns la ukuthi kahle kahle bekahamba naliphi iqembu yena njengoba ala uzibona asafe ku top 8 since well ngithola ukuthi uluze nga 2-0 ku Richards Bay. So imbuzo nayo ukuthi kuza kwakhe la bekazo supporter which team, uzibona number 2 uzibona aku position bani uma ngabe le season iphela.
Bengisupport iBhakani yabo makhelwane wami angeke ngibayeke. So coming to top 8 is going to be difficult for us because if you can check cheaper, they still got game in hand. Golden Arrows, they've got game in hand. If they win all of those games, Kaizer Chiefs, it means Yoba Idlalela number 12. So it's going to be difficult. So we wish to be on top 8, but
for breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.